Hey everybody, welcome back to the Roadhouse. Today we're going to do a little chicken wings and some baby back ribs. I'll be using the Weber and I'll be using the Oklahoma Joe. Also going to do some of this recharged boudin. That's good stuff, y'all. And we got some more of our kind of cute sausage. That's good stuff. But y'all check this out, man. So, you know, just a little rack of baby backs, that's all it is. And I did remove the membrane on the back. This is our chicken wings, about a 10 pack, I guess. I got them seasoned up with a little bit of hickory grill and some Fiesta rub. If y'all remember this stuff here, Cajun injector, hickory grill. Good stuff if y'all can find it. You know, a little on the salty side, but it's got a real good smoke flavor to it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna season these baby backs up here on the camera. Get straight now. And like I said, I did remove the membrane. Today we're going with some more of the regular pork rub, and we got some of the rib rub there. So we'll go with the pork rub. Nice little coating of that. And I have the charcoal and the chimney getting hot for this cook. And I'll be using apple wood on the ribs, and I'll just be using hickory on the chicken wings. So, and you pull that membrane off the back, y'all, and it lets that seasoning penetrate that back side. You know, don't need just a whole stupid amount of seasoning on here. Didn't like the last big old cuts of meat, you know. That should be good enough. Heck, I might even put some sauce on these. See what Miss Carrie feels like. Alright. That's that. And I'll meet y'all outside once the grills are hot. Alright, gang, welcome back. The Weber is set up for indirect cooking once again. The coals are nice and ashed over here. We got our ribs put on there. We're going to add just a little bit of apple wood to both sides. Put mine straight on the fire there. So I don't worry about soaking that stuff. Just put it in there, let it rip. Alright. Close it down. Let's get the smoke rolling. And we'll check on these. This little rack here on the Weber probably take, I don't know, 2 hours max. So we'll check back. We'll check on them about 30 minutes, y'all. We'll be back. Alright, gang, wings are on. We're going to see how the Oklahoma Joe does on chicken wings. So we'll let this go a little bit and we'll come back and check on them about probably 20 minutes or so. And let's see how cut the heat back on our ribs. Oh man, oh, that's looking good. Yes indeed, y'all. Alright, looking good, smelling good. We'll come back and check on these in just a little bit. How we doing, y'all? Oklahoma Joe? Yeah, baby. Looking pretty good, gang. Alright, I'm gonna go a little bit more. We're on about 3. What does that say, y'all? Can y'all see that? 325. Something like that. Right. About 300 on the Weber. Let's see what our ribs are. Let's check this little temp here, y'all. Oh man, them things done, dude. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna wrap them up, cut the throttle way back on this. We're waiting on our chicken to get done. We'll grab that sausage and boudin and I'll be right back. Alright guys, y'all welcome back. Oh, everybody fussing for some chicken and ribs, y'all. Oh my goodness. Neighbors were outside having a little party, so I had to pull everything off and come in. We plated it up already, so everything turned out really nice, y'all. Miss Carrie made some homemade mac and cheese and some corn and stuff. So that's our chicken wings there. Yum. It's our rib. Wrapped them up. Oh yeah, babe. Gizmo hungry, wants some ribs. Yep. Done. Y'all come up here, let's see how we did. Gizmo, I know you want some, buddy. Yeah, wait a second though. Let me get resituated here. Alright. Alright, camera, focus up now. That's our chicken wing. Drumhead anyway. Yeah, that's good. Alright. That's our rib, we'll just pull it apart. That's right, it took about 2 hours on the Weber. Oh my goodness. That's so good. A little sweet, little heat. Now y'all check this out. That's the boudin. Rice. It's like rice dressing encased in a little sausage skin. Really good, y'all. Pre-cooked. Good little smoke flavor. It's a good little snack. If you never had boudin, you need to find some. Keith Battag. Tell them about the boudin from the South, bro. Good stuff. Yeah, check out my buddy Keith, man. Over at the Vulgar Chef. Keith Battag. Cook some rockin' dishes. That's our Connecue sausage, y'all. Good stuff. That's as good as that pork sausage. I think this might be a little bit better. Anyway. Oh, we're just garlic bread. 10 minutes on the Weber. Nice little crust on it. Anyway, we out of here, gang. Thanks for stopping by. Catch y'all next weekend. Bye-bye.